In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a sheet in Smartsheet. If you're ready to share your Smartsheet with others or integrate it into other platforms, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps that will help you achieve this seamlessly. First, what you need to do is navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or home. Once you're there, identify and click on the specific sheet that you're looking to publish. The interface will provide a lot of options, so ensuring you're on the correct sheet is your first step towards successful publication. Next, you'll want to shift your attention to the right panel of your screen. Here you'll find the Publish icon. It usually looks like a small globe or an outlet, making it easily recognizable. Click on that icon and it will unlock several options regarding how others might view or interact with your sheet. Now let's explore these publishing options. The first one is the read-only full mode. This allows people to view the entire sheet in its entirety without the ability to make any changes. It's a great option if you want to share your work without risking any unwanted edits. Alternatively, there's read-only HTML. This is a simplified view designed for browsers, which can be particularly useful if your viewers are not familiar with Smartsheet or prefer a cleaner web-based version to browse through. For those who require interactivity, there's the editable by anyone option. Be cautious with this, as it allows anyone who accesses the link to make changes to your sheet. Ensure that this is what you truly intend before enabling it, perhaps consulting team members or stakeholders who hold an interest in the data's integrity. Adding important dates, consider using the calendar option. This feature enables you to seamlessly integrate key dates from your Smartsheet into your non-Smartsheet calendar, an excellent feature to keep everyone on track with timelines and deadlines. Once you've decided which mode suits your needs, simply toggle the switch to on for the type of access you want to enable. This will activate the publishing settings you've selected. Once that's set up, click Copy Link to easily share the sheet's URL with whoever needs access. If you prefer to embed this sheet into a website or SharePoint page instead, there's an option for that too. Click Get Embed Code, and you'll receive the requisite code to insert directly into your site. Finally, a quick note, if you are currently using a free account, publishing capabilities will not be available to you. Upgrading your account will allow you to make use of these powerful sharing features. And there you have it. You've just learned how to publish a sheet in Smartsheet. This concludes our tutorial, and I hope you find these tips useful as you explore more of Smartsheet's robust capabilities. Happy sharing!